Big volume, loads of texture with a natural matte finish, all using budget hair products. Quite often asked by a few of you, I'm not sure if it's just a few of you, if it's a lot of you, but there's a lot of noise about budget hair products. And I don't often do it, but I thought, I want to show you, and I thought instead of just sort of dropping one budget hair product into the more expensive ones, I'm going to show you a full routine with it. So all of these products are budget. It's 3 steps: prep, styling, finishing, using these products. Now everything is listed below, so if you want to check out these products, I've tried to make sure that they're across a lot of different territories, so you should be able to find them. Yeah. Let me know what you think of this. Watch on. Okay, I'm going to start with my prep. Now for me, I'm going to go for a sea salt spray. Now the one I'm using is by TONI&GUY. TONI&GUY products I love. A sea salt spray is going to add texture to your hair. It's going to add texture and it can also add volume. So what I'm going to do is just, oh god, I can really taste it. I'm just going to saturate the hair here. Next, I'm going to grab the hairdryer. And guys, with this hairdryer etiquette, medium temperature, fast speed, nothing too hot, you are going to dry the hair out. Sea salt actually will dehydrate the hair. These do have conditioning agents, so it should keep it fine, but just don't take that temperature up too much. Okay, that's feeling fairly warm, so I'm going to stop. I love a sea salt spray because, I mean, you can see here, it's got far more movement to it, and when you sort of touch it, you can feel this sort of texture to it. Also, it will give it a bit more sort of bounce and volume to then go on and style it. Now, I've stopped before it's totally dry because I'm now going to take the temperature of the hair down. Taking the temperature of the hair down will seal the cuticle, that's the outside of the hair. When it's sealed, it's flat, it gives it extra shine. And also guys, it means you can then go and style it. If your hair is hot when you're styling it, it's not in the state really that it's going to be when you style it. So make sure you are taking it down to sort of like room temperature, cool temperature. So I'm going to use the cool shot on here, or just take that temperature right down, blast it, keep on going the way you want to put your hair. Okay, I'm happy, it's dry, it's cool, it's ready for the styling. Now, I'm going to use a clay because it's so popular and I think it's such a versatile product for guys to add, you know, a really good matte finish to their hair, lots of volume, some styling, but without weighing it down or without it being overly shiny. Now, the ones here are fish and also VO5. Now, for this, I am actually going to go for the fish, because I actually think this product is far more versatile than the VO5 product. I've seen a lot of guys actually at the gym using VO5 hair clay, and I kind of just want to like tap them on the shoulder and say, for the same price, you've got something that is just as good, if not better. I'm literally just going to scoop out sort of like, that's not a pea size, it's like a dime sized amount. With any hair product, we all know you can layer it, so don't go over the top too fast. You're going to saturate the hair, it's going to be hard to style, it's not going to stay for the whole day. Into the hands here, always warm up. Okay, how I'm going to apply it is going against the way I want the hair to go, coating it completely, and then I'm going to go the way I want the hair to go. Just really brushing at it. Guys, you can go any way you want. There is no right or wrong in this. You'll know just from practice what you like. You know, I am growing my hair out at the moment from the sides, so it's not going to look super neat at the moment. You guys might be thinking you need a haircut. That's because I do. But you'll just see what I'm doing here. I like to put a part in on the recession line here, so where the hair is. Got the recession here. I'm going to put the part in there, and I'm just using my hands, but you can grab a comb, or you might be even pushing the hair all the way up or back. Grab a bit more. Actually, when I was doing my barber course, when guys came in and they spoke about, you know, what products they're using, I always recommended this. I just think it's really good and it's readily available. Okay. You can keep it really like loose and messy, sort of more like that, which I like. Or you could really kind of push it back. I actually really like that. This is why I love this product. You know, it's got so much texture. That plus the sea salt spray is just giving the hair so much movement without it looking totally full. Yeah, God, I'm really pleased with that. I forgot how good this product was. Now, if you're feeling happy and confident and comfortable, then that's you. That is you done completely. But I'm a guy with very fine hair that doesn't want to stay, so I'm going to fix it. This is a new product by VO5. This is so good that I actually went out and bought 2 more, and I've got through those. So this is VO5 Mega Hold Hairspray. It's amazing. It's no frills, it's cheap, and it does what it's supposed to. It holds it all day. Okay, and guys, whoa, whew. Guys, we know that with any sort of hairspray or fixing, don't touch your hair. You're using this to fix it in place, not to style. If you're touching it and poking it about, you're using it as a styling product. This is not a styling product. And that is exactly it. 3 steps: pre-styler, styling, fixing, all using budget hair products. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this one, best of budget. If it's a sort of series style that you like, then let me know. I do have a slight fear with budget products that maybe it's just the guys that are shouting the most and loudest rather than actually loads of people wanting this. So make sure you let me know. Also, if you want me to look at sort of mid-range stuff, I just think if you're a guy that's wanting a budget product, you need it across the full range, and that's exactly what I've tried to do in this routine here. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do hit subscribe right now. The button is going to be just up there. Also, there's more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. Head to my blog, it's there. Podcast, Instagram, up there. But I'll see you in the next new video. Bye-bye.